Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade US dollar versus Swiss franc, in which we will generate good profit. In this video we are trading on consolidation zone breakout. Watch the video till the end, you will learn a lot. Here I am applying trade. I am taking this lot as per my risk. You should also know your risk before taking the trade. Here we are seeing a very good loss, which is around $800. Soon we will try to convert it into profit. I have $2,780 in my account, which has to grow with proper technical analysis. Now you have understood the market trend. The market was moving sideways for quite some time, but now again we can see a good move towards the downside. Here we will first create a consolidation zone so that we can understand the market pattern better. At this level the market has created multiple support points at which the market has reversed repeatedly at the same level. Here we will see very good support points which are important for us. Here you can see that the market has reversed from this level. In future also support points will be seen at this level. From these points we know that this is a strong support level of the market. Here the market has given a breakout at this level, and now after retesting it has started moving downwards. Here we can see a small consolidation zone on a smaller time frame. Because whenever the market moves well it creates a small consolidation pattern. High probability chance market will go down from here because market has broken the strong support level. Only then we have applied trade on downside. Here the strong trend of the market is downtrend. We have also placed a trade in the direction of the market because we will see a big move down. Half of our analysis is done. Now we have to draw strong resistance level so that we can see the perfect consolidation zone. We will get good benefits from this because the market is breaking the consolidation zone and moving downwards. At this level you will see a strong resistance level, although the market has taken resistance only once, but from this we are getting a good pattern. The market has created multiple support points on all these points, but the market has created a resistance point at this level in the future. Here a support become resistance pattern has been created, which is a strong pattern of downtrend. This pattern is also visible at the lower level. The market is following the trend very well. Our analysis work is completed. Now we have to set stop loss and target point so that we can follow our rules properly. Let us place stop loss and target point. Our stop loss in this trade will be above the strong support level and inside the consolidation zone, which is 12 pips above. In this trade, if the market goes back to the consolidation zone, the stop loss will be hit, and target point will be 24 pips below where there is full chance of market going. Here we are using risk to reward 1:2. Guys, we are still running in loss till the market does not hit the stop loss. We do not want to close the trade, no matter how much loss the market shows. Now we apply stop loss and profit target. Guys, all our work is completed. Now we have to wait till our goal is achieved. We have analyzed it here on time frame for 5 minutes. On this time frame also we have got very good trading opportunity. If you understand technical analysis well, then you can generate profit on any time frame. If our analysis is correct, then we can easily generate profit in this trade. Meet guys after some time. If you liked this video, then please do like it.
Only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread.
Wow guys, nice move. The market has given us a very good move. The market went down making proper lower low and lower high, which is the nature of the market. Our target has been hit. There were many up and down moves in the market, but we hold the trade, which required a lot of patience. The market respected our setup, for which we thanks the market. If you respect the market, then the market will give you very good results. Our stop loss was at the level which avoided being hit. The market was very close to our stop loss, but could not be hit due to strong support level. The market is now moving below our target level. The market has created very good patterns here, which helped us a lot in managing the trade. Now let me explain to you the further pattern through which we can get more selling opportunities. At this level the market has again created support, become resistance pattern. Here we will create a downtrend channel. The market is following the trend channel quite well. due to which the market will be seen moving in this trend channel. Always keep the analysis simple, only then you will understand the price action. You can also do such simple analysis which will give very good results. Now let's close the trade. Guys, our current profit is around $3,200. We have $2,780 in our account, which has grown to $6,000. I hope you have learned a lot from this trading video. If you liked this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.